Alrighty, so I'm just going to talk you through the adjustment here as we do this, okay? All right, so you're coming in today. What do you got going on?
Just back here.
Lower back?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're driving a lot throughout the day?
Yes.
What else are we doing?
And pushing around pallets.
Pushing pallets, lifting?
Lifting, twisting.
And they're not light things, right? They're heavy?
No, they're heavy.
Okay. So again, putting a lot of stress on that lower back, the nerves that go to the lower back. The sciatic nerve runs down the feet. Then also a lot of shoulder involvement there as well. So we'll check full spine. We're going to start with that leg length test to see exactly where the short leg is, and it's on the right side. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up here first.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Good. What I want you to do is lock this knee and lift this leg, just like that. Yep, go as high as you can. Okay, other one. Okay, good. What I want you to do is lay on your right side down, face me this way. Okay. We're gonna bring your hips over this way. There you go. Keep that bottom leg straight. Here. There you go. That arm just like that. Good. Just wrap that around your body just like that. There you go. Good. Okay, other side. Bring this in just a little bit there. Good. On your back. Neck is really stuck here on that right side. Feeling that right there? Mm-hmm. Any headaches? Awesome. We're just going to finish here with the dinner roll.
That felt really good.
That's what you needed. Come on down.
Oh man, that felt really good.
Awesome.